You struggle with time management? Are you sometimes overwhelmed, frustrated, and stressed out despite working very hard? If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. Many people struggle with time management despite reading books, listening to audio programs, and attending expensive time management seminars. But not everyone struggles with time management. Throughout the ages, there have always been people who have been able to manage their time, no matter what the circumstances, no matter what the obstacles, no matter what the odds. They understood an ancient 5,000-year-old time management secret that the vast majority of people never knew. Throughout history, the most powerful people in the world have always known the great time management secret. These people made huge contributions to society. Some of them revolutionized industries. Some of them were the wealthiest people in the world. Some were inventors. Some were humanitarians. Some were philosophers. It didn't matter from what walk of life they came from, or what century they lived in, or what language they spoke. They all knew the great time management secret, and it's because they used the great time management secret that history will always remember them. Despite an enormous vault of educational material about time management on the market today, few people have ever heard of the great time management secret. Why haven't you heard of the great time management secret before? This ancient secret was lost towards the end of the 18th century. For over 230 years, the vast majority of people would live out their entire lives never even knowing that this secret existed. The great time management secret was kept alive by only the most powerful people in the world who continued to harness its power. These powerful people were responsible for the greatest achievements known to mankind. In fact, every great achievement of mankind is the direct result of the great time management secret in action. So few people understand and use this powerful secret. What if you were one of the lucky ones who knew the great time management secret? What would you do with that power? Imagine for a moment how your life would change if you understood the secret to time management. Fortunately, you don't have to imagine, because you can find out what the great time management secret is.